In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Workspace profile picture. Whether you're updating your company's brand or simply refreshing your online presence, changing your Google Workspace profile picture is a simple yet impactful way to start. Let's walk you through the process, ensuring it's as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Remember, Google Workspace houses all of your professional tools and settings in one convenient place. Once you're there, the next step is to choose your Google account. This is crucial because you might have multiple accounts for personal use, work, or other projects. Ensure you're selecting the account tied to your Google Workspace to make the appropriate changes. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This step is all about security, making sure that only authorized individuals have the capacity to make changes to your account settings. After entering your password, click on Next. This will take you deeper into the settings where you can start personalizing your account more extensively. Now look for and click the square dots icon located at the top right of your screen. This icon represents the various Google apps and services available to you, signifying you're in the right area to begin the customization process. From here, you'll need to go to the admin console. The admin console is where all the administrative settings are held, and it's where you can manage different aspects of your account, including your profile picture. Once in the admin console, navigate back to Home if you're not already there. The Home section of the admin console is essentially your dashboard, offering you a broad overview and access to a range of administrative functions. Next, you're going to click on Add Logo. This is where you'll begin the process of changing your Google Workspace profile picture or logo. It's an important step to reflect any branding changes or personal preferences you have. You'll then click on Custom Logo. This option allows you to upload a logo or profile picture that's unique to you or your company, giving you the flexibility to customize your online presence within Google Workspace. After that, it's time to click on Select File to Upload. Here you'll browse your computer for the new profile picture or logo that you've decided on. Make sure it's saved in a convenient location for easy access. Finally, after selecting the file, click on Save. This action will upload your new profile picture or logo to Google Workspace, instantly updating your profile across Google's suite of services. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Google Workspace profile picture. Remember, this simple update can go a long way in maintaining a fresh and professional online presence. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope it was helpful and that you feel more comfortable managing your Google Workspace settings.